What is up, guys? So it's a little hot out today, and I'm gonna be working on a BMW. So it's been a while since I had that lower control arm issue. It's been clunking on me, so today's the day to actually get it replaced. All right, so now I'm gonna work my way back here. I gotta take the bolt off right there in order to get this lower control arm out. So there's a clip on the other side that holds this guy over, which is like right there. So all you have to do is unclip it and pull it off. So the bolt back here, I already took the nut off. So if you want to get it back, you have to move this bracket a little bit over, or just drop your bottom splash guard and the bolt will come right out. So let me hammer it out a little bit. Alright guys, so we have an issue with the control arm. Where's my control arm? So I ordered a couple of them and they don't seem to fit, but this one, this is the original one, and these are the aftermarket ones. They came in the box, and I don't know, these guys are a little too long, so I just called the BMW, order. So if you kind of measure them here, come down here. Yeah, this guy is a little too long. I mean, it doesn't even look right. So if they tell you on eBay, order those, nah, just keep on those. Go to BMW and get original one. So, I mean, it takes about 10 minutes to take one off. It's not really that bad. So when you have a BMW, no wheels on, something must be broken. Maybe this guy. Alright, so while I'm waiting on my parts, I'm also gonna refresh the wheels. These guys, they look old and tired and not glossy. And yeah, some kind of other paint on this one. They don't look really nice. But let me show you what I've been doing for the past 2 minutes. Alright, so I got those this side spray painted. They look really nice and glossy, as you guys just seen. So I'm gonna work on the passenger side as soon as I get my control arm in for this one. So I can go ahead and put a control arm in front, get that fixed, so I can put the wheels back on. Yep. Alright, let's put this boy in. Alright boys, so we got this control arm in. It's a brand spanking new. I gotta hook this guy up, this clip. It could take a minute. So that bolt over there is nice and tight. Alright guys, so we have the control arms on the car. And we got the wheels going on. We had them a little spray painted. And they look much better than the other ones. And I'm dirty. So let me go ahead and slap these wheels on. As you guys can see, the control arm down there is brand new. We got that clip on. All the bolts are torqued. And now we're going to put the wheels on so we can continue on the passenger side. We're going to take the wheels off and spray paint them. So let's hurry up and get these guys off, clean them up, wash them, and then throw them out there. Alright guys, we got a brand new wheels on the car. Not brand new, but they're sprayed. Alright, so wheels are done. Looks much better right now. So I also got that control arm fixed, and it looks so much better right now. And even the steering wheel is straight even. It was a little to the side before, like this, when I'm driving. Now it's straight. I guess the control arm was really bad, so it was tugging to the side a little bit. And I also got a circle where I spray painted one of the wheels, and I got the grass messy. But I did use some of that green spray just to fix a little bit. Alright guys, so until next time, peace.